Alright folks, and welcome back here to the Verizon Center as we are set for the third period here on Comcast Sportsnet Mid-Atlantic as it's scoreless here. Joe Beninati and Kenny Albert back along with you and Kenny, how did you how do you think the Caps fared in that second period? Well, Joe, I think they needed to play better, and they did play better, but they just still were not able to finish. Yeah, they weren't able to finish, and neither team so far has been able to finish. And the Canes now are up to 8 consecutive periods being held off the score sheet. And they need to get some offense going. But so do the Caps, for that matter. But let's see what they can do here in the third. Absolutely. And the Canes began this third period short-handed.
About to drop the puck. The faceoff goes to Carolina. He steals it. Here comes Ovechkin, and the play's broken up. Brind'Amour takes control of the puck. He passes it to Nylander. Brind'Amour takes possession of the puck. Nylander goes offside, and the play is stopped. We're ready for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to the Capitals. The ref indicates a delayed call. Washington is now 0 for 2 on the power play. To Kozlov. Walker will get the gate for hooking.
Scott Walker, 2 minutes for hooking.
Now let's keep this game clean. Washington gets another 2-minute power play. Let's see if they can generate a few more chances this time. Brind'Amour on the draw. Cleared by Commodore. Here comes Nylander. He passes it to Nylander. It's 2-on-1. Cleared out of the zone by Commodore. To Nylander. Here comes Ovechkin. He passes the puck to Cody. Here comes Nylander. You better keep your head up or you're going to be knocked on your rear end. They're getting ready for the face-off. Face-off won by Stahl. Here's Brett Henneken. Carolina takes possession. Puck cleared out by Henneken to Pettinger. Here's a quick shot. He scores! Midway through the third, there's the game.
Brooks Laich, power play goal. First goal this season.
Get a good scoring chance. He did, and he made the most of it. Washington finally lights it up. They've been waiting for their chance. They saw it, and now we've got a 1-0 game. It's man against man. Quick save, Graham to Wesley. Here's Glenn Wesley. He takes it into the neutral zone. Wesley dumps the puck in. Just one man to beat. Walker. Morrison. The Capitals move out to center. They're over the blue line and on the attack. He gives the puck away. Hamilton. Quick shot. Grabbed by Morrison. Wide of the net. Here's Tom Pody. He passes it to Stahl. Here comes Stahl. Here comes Pody. Shot from the slot. To Eric Cole. Now quick up to Stahl. He's in the clear. Saved by Johnson. He's turned it over. Ahead to Brindamore. Now passed over to Clark. He dumps the puck in. Puck taken by Stillman. To Cole. Here comes Ovechkin. To Nylander. Shoots the puck from deep in the slot. To Brindamore. It's 2-on-1. He picked it off. Down to the final 2 minutes of the third period. Here comes Nylander to Stahl, and he carries it to center. He poke checks it. Here comes Stahl to Kozlov. We're down to the final minute of the third. To Nylander. Oh, he hit the post. Kozlov. Graham made the save. Washington is showing great restraint in this game, Greg. They haven't been baited into stupid penalties, and it's paying dividends for them.
Well, Jim, you're right. Staying out of the penalty box is key if you want to have success at this level.
Brindamore wins the draw. He'll just move the puck into the neutral zone. The Hurricanes hold the goalie.
They know that this is their last chance to tie things up. They want to give it their best shot.
They move the puck into the neutral zone. Rips it hard on net. Another shot.
Brooks like second goal tonight. Second goal this season.
Working against the clock now.
Time is running down. That might have been one mistake too many.
The Hurricanes have run out of options.
They need goals, and they need the extra attacker.
He gets level. Puck taken by Hedican. Breaking in towards the net. Front of the net. Glove save by Johnson. Washington got it. That's it. Carolina suffers yet another defeat and sees their losing streak continue. Here are tonight's 3 stars of the game.
Brooks or Brian Pothier, Brent Johnson, Brooks like.
From Washington, D.C., this is Jim Houston with Craig Simpson.
From all the team here at EA Sports, we'll see you next time.
Okay, Kenny, we'll be back with the score. With the recap in a moment here. With the final score, the Washington Capitals 2 and the Carolina Hurricanes 0. Back in a moment here on Comcast Sportsnet Mid-Atlantic. Don't go anywhere.